Hi, Kinder! Are you excited for today? Today we are going on an ISPY adventure using vocabulary words that we learned in science. So have your binoculars ready, have a little safari fun, and let's get looking to see what we find on our ISPY adventure. So let's not forget the most important part, our science journal. So make sure you have your science journal ready. If you do, first things first, you need to write your name and the date. So take some time right now and write the name and the date. I will be writing my name. And the date. Miss Celia 9/3/20. Make sure you have your name and the date written down. I'll give you 1 minute. We should be done writing our name and the date. The very next step we need to do is write 1 through 5 on our paper. We need to get our paper ready. So I'm going to write 1, kind of like we did the past few days. Whenever we had something to write down and we wanted to make it nice and neat and organized, we skipped a few lines and we wrote our numbers. So as you can see here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in my science journal. I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to write your numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we can get going with our ISPY game. We are going to make 5 observations. We're going to find 5 themes using vocabulary words that we've learned in science. Okay, awesome. We should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ready to go. Let's get started with our ISPY game. I spy something slimy and smooth. It looks like it's alive. Yeah, it's definitely an animal that slithers. Slimy and smooth. What am I talking about? Did you get it? Another hint, it was green and yellow. Yep, it was a snail. Did you see? Yep, number 1 was a snail. So we need to take a moment to draw that snail. So next to number 1, draw your snail. I'm going to make sure that I use yellow for the body. And green for the shell. And my snail is done. I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to draw your snail. Next to number 1. Awesome! Let's go on to the next I Spy. Ooh. Yummy. This looks really yummy. It's something cold that when it gets really warm or hot, it melts. Yeah, and it's colorful. I wonder what I'm looking at. Yep, there's 2 of them. So if you saw one, that's great. If you saw both, even better. Yep, they were popsicles. Yum. How fun! Our second observation was popsicles. Let's draw our popsicles together. They would definitely melt in the sunlight. I'm going to give everyone about 20 more seconds to draw their popsicles. Next to number 2. Let's move on to our next observation. Okay, this one's a tough one, but I spy something that's really heavy. Yep, it looks like I could never pull that out of the ground. It is way too heavy. It's also yellow. That could probably help you. Yes, it's yellow, really heavy in real life. And firefighters use it. Can you find it? Did you find it? It's a fire hydrant. Yes, the fire hydrants that the firefighters use when they are putting out fires to get water. A yellow fire hydrant. Our next observation was a yellow fire hydrant. A yellow fire hydrant. So next to number 3, we are going to draw the yellow fire hydrant. a yellow fire hydrant. Giving about 20 more seconds to draw our yellow fire hydrant. Okay, let's move on to number 4. I spy something that makes a lot of noise. It makes a lot of noise when you hit it. It seems like maybe you use sticks. I wonder what this object could be. What is a loud object that people use to make loud noise? Possibly for music. Did you guess it? Yep, it was the drums. Wow. Our 4th observation is a drum. Let's draw our drum. Here is my drum next to number 4. I'm going to give about 20 seconds. Awesome! Now we're on to our last I Spy observation. Let's see what we find. Okay, I spy something really heavy. And it's really smooth. Yeah, it's really smooth and heavy. And it rolls. What is it? Did you guess it? It's a bowling ball. They're super heavy, but they're super smooth because they need to glide down the bowling alley. Oh my gosh, that was so awesome. Wow, our 5th and last I Spy observation was a bowling ball. Let's draw our bowling ball. I'm going to give about 20 seconds to finish our bowling ball next to number 5. And that's it. These are all our observations. I can't wait to see them when you post them. Awesome job, everyone, playing I Spy today. It was a blast, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. which is Friday, for our experiment. Make sure you have some ice cubes and a plate, and that you can go outside into the sunlight. See you tomorrow. Bye.